All set. Ready to race. Away they go. As expected, Miss Bobon fast to begin. On the outside is Daog. Running in third, Magic Dancer, Iron King, Madam Leonora, and Napa Bali is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Miss Bobon leads by some 4, followed by Daog. And racing on the outside, Magic Dancer, Madam Leonora is racing in fourth, Iron King, and Napa Bali. Working towards the back, Miss Bobon on his favorite position as the pace setter leads by some 6, followed now by Magic Dancer, and running by Daryl Daog, racing in fourth by some 3 lengths, Madam Leonora, Iron King second last, and Napa Bali is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Miss Bobon enjoying by some 5 lengths, followed by Magic Dancer, and running in third by some 5 lengths, Daog, Iron King racing in fourth, Madam Leonora, and Napa Bali. About to pass the last 400, that's Miss Bobon by some 4 lengths. Magic Dancer remains in second, Iron King racing in third, Daog racing in fourth. As the race to the final corner, Miss Bobon by some 3 lengths. Magic Dancer on the outside, and on the inside is Iron King. Miss Bobon, Magic Dancer moving up from the outside. Miss Bobon, Magic Dancer, and finally Magic Dancer, Miss Bobon, Iron King, Madam Leonora, Daog, and Napa Bali.